In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up Wix automated emails step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Wix automations are incredibly powerful because they let you automatically send emails to your customers, site members, or leads based on specific actions, like form submissions, purchases, or signups. This can save you a huge amount of time and help you stay consistent with your communication. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Wix tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to wix.com. Log into your Wix account using the email and password connected to your website. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. If you manage multiple sites, make sure you select the correct website from the dashboard before continuing, because automations are set up on a site-by-site basis. Next, look at the left-hand menu inside your Wix dashboard. Scroll until you find the option called Automations. Go ahead and click on Automations. This is where Wix manages all automatic actions, including emails, chat messages, and internal notifications. Once the Automations page loads, you'll see a list of existing automations if you've created any before, or recommended automations from Wix. To create a new automated email from scratch, click on the button that says Create Automation. This will open the automation builder. Now click on Set Up to start configuring your automation. Wix automations are built using two main parts, a trigger and an action. The trigger is what starts the automation, and the action is what happens automatically afterward. First, choose your trigger. For example, you might select when a form is submitted, when someone subscribes to your site, when a customer makes a purchase, or when a contact is added. Pick the trigger that matches the type of automated email you want to send. Once selected, Wix will show you additional options depending on the trigger, so review them and confirm your choice. After setting the trigger, it's time to choose the action. Click on Add Action and select Send an Email. This tells Wix that when the trigger happens, an email should be sent automatically. Now you'll configure the email itself. Choose who the email should be sent to, such as the site visitor, the contact, or yourself as the site owner. Then customize the subject line and the email content. You can type your message directly or use dynamic values like the person's name to personalize the email. Take your time here, because this is what your users will actually see. Once your email content is ready, review all the automation details one last time. Make sure the trigger is correct and the email action is properly configured. When everything looks good, toggle the automation on and click Save. Your Wix automated email is now live and will start working automatically in the background. And that's it. You've successfully set up Wix automated emails for your website. This is a great way to welcome new users, confirm submissions, or follow up with customers without doing everything manually. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more Wix tutorials and website tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.